We're in a home in Ahwatukee, Phoenix, and this oxidized rebar right here is just tearing this stem wall to pieces, and it's jeopardizing the stability of this house, and it's just busting out all the way. Once the rebar starts oxidizing, it starts growing and growing and growing, and it'll just bust out the whole side. We got to be careful when we remove the damaged concrete on here that the side of the house doesn't drop down. It's very close in doing so anyway. And over here on this side, it's 100%. This whole corner is gone. Look at that. This whole thing is just gone. And it continues all the way around the house. It's even got rocks in there. It's terrible. We have to be very careful about this corner. If we rip all of that out, this corner could drop down. So when you start seeing these little horizontal cracks, no matter how small they are, get them early. The longer you procrastinate, the bigger issue this becomes, and this is a huge issue for this house. So what we have to do is move the decorative rocks back, this material back as well, dig down all the way to the bottom of this stem wall to get at what's broken and get into the rebar, and if the rebar's rusted far enough down, we're going to replace it, or we put our rust inhibitor on there to stop the rust. And when moisture and steel get together, this rebar starts growing up to 5 times its diameter and size, and that's what we see all over the valley. So just take a moment, walk around your house. If you see any of these horizontal cracks, fractures in your stem wall, give me a call, and I'll gladly come out for a free estimate and go over this with you and educate you in proper maintenance of your stem wall and the causes of this rusting of the interior rebar. And we would also waterproof this when we get all done, all the way down with 2 coats of waterproofing to protect it. For more information, go to concreterepairman.com or call James at 602-418-2970. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.